Today, I've got some exciting news to share with you about the KeyChain airdrop mining program. If you haven't registered yet, this is your reminder to take action as soon as possible because big things are coming on September 26th, 2025. On that date, KeyChain will officially launch its KYC process. That's Know Your Customer, or in simpler terms, an identity verification step that every participant will need to complete. This is a crucial part of the project because it ensures transparency, fairness, and security for everyone in the community. But that's not all. The KYC launch is also directly tied to how the airdrop rewards will be distributed. Let's break it down so you fully understand what's happening. When the distribution begins, the rewards you've earned through mining with computing power will not all be released at once. Instead, KeyChain is introducing a smart release mechanism designed to encourage community participation and long-term sustainability. Here's exactly how it works. First, 5% of your total key tokens will be released immediately. That means you'll be able to use, trade, or hold those coins right away without any delay. This initial portion is like your early access reward, a taste of what's to come. The remaining 95% of your tokens will be temporarily locked. But don't panic, it's not as bad as it sounds. In fact, this is where things get really interesting. The unlocking of these tokens will be determined by community voting. That means the KeyChain ecosystem is not just a top-down project. It's built on the collective decision-making of the users themselves. You, along with other community members, will play a role in shaping how and when these tokens are released into circulation. Now, here's the part that makes KeyChain stand out. While that 95% is technically locked, it doesn't just sit there doing nothing. Instead, those locked tokens are automatically shifted into staking mining mode. In other words, your balance continues to work for you in the background, generating additional rewards even while you wait for the community to vote on unlocking the funds. So think about it this way. The locked 95% is not a dead weight in your wallet. It's an active balance that keeps growing. You're essentially earning staking rewards while the community decides how to manage the long-term release of the tokens. This means two things. One, you're not losing out on potential earnings just because the tokens are locked. Two, the system helps prevent huge dumps of tokens on the market all at once, which protects the value of the coin and ensures stability. This approach is actually brilliant because it combines three powerful concepts. Fair initial release. Everyone gets 5% right away. Community governance. The people who care most about the project, the community, get to decide the pace of unlocking the rest. Continuous growth through staking. Even while waiting, your balance continues to increase passively. Let's imagine an example. Suppose you mined 11,600 key tokens. Once KYC is complete and distribution starts, you'll immediately receive 5% of that amount, which is 580 key. The other 11,120 key remain locked. But instead of being frozen with zero benefit, those 11,020 tokens are automatically staked, meaning they continue to generate new rewards for you. As the community votes and unlocks portions of the locked balance, you'll receive even more access to your tokens, on top of the staking growth that's been accumulating in the background. This creates a win-win situation for everyone. Early participants feel rewarded with an instant release. The project avoids sudden inflation that could hurt token value, and the entire community becomes actively involved in shaping the future of the coin. So here's the key takeaway. If you haven't registered for KeyChain yet, don't wait any longer. The KYC process begins on September 26th, 2025 at 8 a.m. Washington time. Once you complete it, you'll be ready to claim your share of the airdrop distribution and start enjoying the benefits of both released and staked tokens. KeyChain isn't just about handing out coins. It's about building a community-driven, sustainable ecosystem where your rewards can keep growing while you participate in shaping the future. Imagine being part of a project where your voice matters. Your tokens work for you even when locked, and the long-term value of the coin is protected. That's exactly what KeyChain is offering.
Get ready.
So
Mark your calendars for September 26th, complete your KYC as soon as it opens, and secure your spot in this exciting distribution event.